In our last video, we talked about the visceral pleural, which sits on the lung, and the parietal pleural, which sits on the chest wall. And when these two slide back and forth when a person is breathing, we get lung sliding. The artifact created when these two slide together looks something like this. Here is a rib space and a rib space. We have skin, subcutaneous tissues, and right there is our pleural line. You notice that there's these things sliding back and forth like ants marching in a line. This is normal lung. We get this image by taking a linear array probe and putting it on the anterior chest wall, dot facing the head, and we're bisecting the ribs like this. This is how it looks normally, but let's look at what happens when we have air in between the visceral and the parietal pleura. Here's a rib, here's our skin, subcutaneous tissue, some muscles, and look what happens right here. The parietal pleura, that's bright hyperechoic, but you don't see the visceral because there's no lung sliding. So the parietal pleura might be here, it might be further down. We don't know how big the pneumothorax is, but what we know is that there is a pneumothorax located at this point.